Bigtings kitchen. You make the food them finger licking. Chef Juliana, teach them how to cook rice.
What's up everyone? Welcome to Bigtings kitchen, and today I'll be making potato punch. Yes, you heard it right, potato punch. As promised, I'll be doing a few punch because I've been asked to make some punch, so I decided to do potato punch today. Simple ingredients. I went ahead and I boiled 2 small size potato. You can choose to use as many as you want. I have here 1/4 cup of almond. I have peanut punch. I have condensed milk. I may or may not use it depending on the sweetness of it. I have lactose free Omo milk. That's a 3.25% milk. I have dragon and my spices, the vanilla, the allspice, the nutmeg, and the cinnamon. Those are the few ingredients you need. If you like this video, please remember to press the subscribe button, leave a comment, like, share, and tell us what punch would you like us to make, or what food you like us to make. Also, we'll be having a guest into the kitchen, so please remember to subscribe if you want to see who that guest is. Stay tuned. Now first I'm going to add the milk. I'm going to go ahead and just add maybe 1/4 cup of the Omo milk, not a lot. Then I am going to add the dragon, also 1/4 cup of dragon. Then the peanut punch. This I'm going to add maybe 1/2 cup of this peanut punch. Next I'm going to add the almond, and I'm using 1/4 cup of almond, and it's unsalted. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some vanilla. If only you could smell this, it smells amazing. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, because you know we want the punch to be not just nice but flavorful. I'm going to go ahead and add the cinnamon powder, and I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon. And like again, it's an estimate, but you can measure or add more to taste. I'm gonna go in with my allspice, 1 teaspoon. No, let that be 1/2 teaspoon because it's a bit potent. And then finally, for now, I'm going to add my nutmeg. I'm gonna go in with less than 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And I'm going to blend, and after which, if the taste is not as sweet, I'm going to add some condensed milk. But I'm going to blend right now. We're going to blend. And again, I'm using my NutriBullet. It's very fast, so I really don't have to blend that long. So I went ahead and I added 1.5 tablespoons of sweet milk. And yes, there you have it. Potato punch, nice and thick. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful potato punch. Straight from Bigtings kitchen. Potato punch. Bigtings kitchen style. Simple ingredients. In less than 5 minutes, you have a lovely punch. Very tasty. And like I said, you can add more alcohol if you want, or you can go ahead and you can add Irish mash if you want to, but quick and easy. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tell us what you want us to be done. And remember, there's a special guest coming into Bigtings kitchen this week, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Until next time,
Big
big
Things
up on
Kitchen.
yourself.
You make the food them finger licking. Chef Juliana, teach them how to cook rice and peas and green banana. Enos JD representing for Big Things. Big Things, Big Things, Big Things.